Hello everyone, welcome back to Mandarin Teacher Next Door. Today we are going to talk about the topic of how to order beverages. It's very famous in Taiwan. Ordering your own drinks, customize it with the specific amount of sugar or ice you want. So this is what we are going to talk about today. First sentence we are going to learn is what do you want or what do you want to drink? 你想要喝什么？你想要喝什么？ To answer it, you just need to replace the question word or the content question word 什么 what with the answer word you want to say. So 我想要 blah 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 or 我想要喝 blah blah blah. So you can put first one, 咖啡 coffee. Second, 红茶 black tea. 绿茶 green tea. Or 珍珠奶茶 珍珠 can mean the tapioca balls or pearls, and then 奶茶 means milk tea. So you can just put one of them or even something else you want to drink into the blank here. For example, 我想要喝红茶我想要喝红茶 I want to drink black tea. Okay? Okay, so next we're going to talk about the amount of sugar and ice. Because in Taiwan, the tea shops that you are going to buy the beverages, usually you can customize the amount of sugar and ice cubes you want. First of all, we're going to talk about the word sugar, 糖 and then the word ice, 冰 Okay. Now, you can see that there are a star sign in front of 100% and also 0%. So there are 4. That's because they do not share the same prefix with the other part. Okay. However, 75, 50, and 25%, they do share the same prefix with the other half. Okay. So let's take a look of the more complicated part, which is the ones without using the same prefix. So the 100% one. 全糖正常冰 So 全 means full or whole. So whole sugar, full sugar. 正常 means normal. So the normal amount of ice. Okay. The other one is the 0% one. 无糖 无 means none, so none of the sugar. 去冰 means go to or get rid of. So it means get rid of the ice part. Now let's talk about the ones that share the same prefix. 75%. 少糖 少 can mean little, but it can also mean less. So a bit less sugar compared to like a full sugar. It means 75%. So the other one is 少冰 and then 50%. 半糖 半 means half. Okay. So here you see that I put 半冰 in a bracket. It's because logically this is how it should be said. Okay. But people usually don't order this one. So it's kind of like odd and weird if people really use this one. People just use 100%, 75, 25, and 0% for the ice part. I probably never heard people ordering 半冰 when I was working at a cafe shop. So logically it's accurate, but no matter it's the seller or other customer, they might find it weird when they hear it. So just maybe choose something else. Okay, next one, 25%. 微糖, 微糖, 微 can means micro, like really slight. And so 微冰, 微冰 is for the 25% ice in this case. This character 微, when you type on Google, and also it's also pronounced as 微 in China as well, at least in some cases, okay? But in Taiwan, we will say 微, okay? So 微糖 and then 微冰, okay? Now let's move on to the other part. Okay, so when we are ordering, we want to be specific and talk about how many cups, how many glasses we want. We will need this measure word, 杯, 杯. And the way to use it is just put a number in front of it, and then it creates the how many cups, how many glasses of da da da. So look at this part. If you want to order, you can just say it this way. You say the whole sentence clearly with every single detail you want. 我想要一杯红茶，微糖，去冰。I want a glass, a cup of black tea, 25% sugar, and then 0% ice. Okay, you say the whole thing. You don't even need a word for and, the kind of like conjunction word. Okay, one more time. 我想要一杯红茶，微糖，去冰。Okay, if you haven't seen one of my file talking about the tone rules about this E character. Usually when you type on Google, it's gonna show you the first tone E, it's not gonna show you the fourth tone. But because Bei is the first tone, this character need to pronounce as fourth tone. I have a file, have a material in my website, so you can go there and check it out for more detail. There's an exception for using Bei, or when you use measure word and you want to say 2 cups of something, or 2 plus a specific measure word, you will need to say 两杯 instead of using the number 2 means 2 when you are counting quantities, okay? So you will need to say 两杯红茶 to means 2 cups or 2 glasses of black tea. Another way to ordering drinks is if you do not say every single detail in one whole sentence. For example, you said, 我想要一杯红茶. I want a cup of black tea. If you didn't say the amount of sugar or ice directly after you say you want a cup of black tea or anything else, they will ask you the question, 糖度冰块呢? 糖度冰块呢? Which means how about the amount of sugar and ice cubes? 糖 sugar, 度 is kind of like degree, so it's the degree of sugar or the amount of sugar. 冰 is ice. 块 means piece, like a piece, 2 pieces, like that. So ice pieces is the ice cubes. So 呢 it means like how about da da da. So how about the degree of sugar and ice cubes? Translated into more like the amount of it. And then you will answer 微糖去冰 or whatever kind of degree of the sugar and ice you want. And then again, remember, if you want to say 2 cups, you need to say 两杯 instead of 二杯, okay, because it's counting quantity. Next, we are going to talk about the cup sizes of the beverages. First one, the large one, 大杯, 大杯. For the medium one, we say 中杯, 中杯. And then the small one, 小杯, 小杯. Okay, so to say it in one whole sentence with all the details, you can say 我想要一杯大杯红茶，无糖少冰。So instead of just saying 一杯红茶, a cup of black tea, you say a cup of big cup black tea. Okay? 我想要一杯大杯红茶，无糖少冰。However, if you didn't mention what kind of size do you want for your beverage, then the seller will ask you for that. For example, 我想要一杯红茶，无糖少冰。Then they will ask, 大杯、中杯还是小杯? Here is or. So they provide you options and then you need to choose one from that. Or they might omit the or this word, 还是 in this case. So they might just say 大杯、中杯、小杯. Okay, to indicate big, medium, or small, large, medium, or small. There's also another way they might say it, which is 大小呢? We talk about the 呢, it means how about. 大小 can mean, literally though, it means big, small, but it can also mean the size. So how about the size? 大小呢? And then you just answer with what you want. For example, 大杯. So this is the case if you didn't provide all the information in one sentence. Okay, there you go. This is for today's lesson and video. I hope this is helpful. If you ever go to a place like a tea shop in Taiwan or maybe in the US and you are able to customize the sugar and the ice, try this. I mean, if they speak Mandarin, okay? Okay, so I will see you at next video. Bye for now.